Stop wasting your weekends on boring hobbies. If you're hunting for the best RC cars for adults, you might be missing out on insane speed and insane stunts that will blow your mind. Imagine controlling power-packed machines built for thrill. Are you ready to dominate the track like a pro? Don't blink, because these RC beasts aren't for the faint-hearted. Let's start. Number 5. Blue Jay Remote Control Car delivers an adrenaline-packed experience with speeds up to 33 kilometers per hour, powered by a robust RC380 motor and smooth 2.4 GHz controller with a 50-meter range. Its durable ABS chassis and lightweight aluminum alloy body ensure long-lasting impact resistance, while LED headlights and chassis lights let you race day or night. Enjoy up to 70 minutes of non-stop play with dual rechargeable Li-ion batteries. Perfect for off-road thrills, realistic design, and high-performance fun, this RC truck makes a standout gift for adults and kids alike. Number 4. Highboxing 1/18th scale all-terrain RC car 1885-9 is a powerhouse for thrill seekers, hitting speeds up to 36 kph, with its high-performance brushed 380 motor and robust four-wheel drivetrain. This off-road monster boasts waterproof electronics, independent suspension, and knobby high-grip tires, perfect for gravel, grass, or concrete. Equipped with 2 rechargeable 7.4V LiPo batteries and a 2.4 GHz proportional remote, it delivers smooth control up to 280 feet. Durable, fast, and ready to run, it's the ultimate RC experience for adults craving performance, excitement, and value. Number 3. Hosim 114 RTR Brushless RC Truck is a powerhouse designed for adults craving extreme speed and performance. With a 2847 3100 kV brushless motor and upgraded 45-amp ESC, it rockets up to 50 miles per hour. While its Gen 5 helical differential and hardened 40CR steel parts ensure durability and smooth power transfer. Dual 3S batteries provide 60-plus minutes of non-stop driving, and 2.4 GHz precision control reaches 492 feet. Conquer any terrain with adjustable oil-filled shocks, all-terrain tires, and bright LED headlights. Perfect for thrill seekers who demand speed, durability, and full control. Number 2. HyperGo H16BM isn't your typical RC car. It's a full-blown 42 miles per hour off-road beast built for adults craving adrenaline. With its brushless 2845 4200 kV motor, metal gears, and reinforced honeycomb chassis, it delivers unmatched durability and torque. Oil-filled absorbers and pre-mounted sponge tires ensure smooth handling on any terrain, while dual LiPo batteries and 3S compatibility push it to insane speeds. Independent ESC and 3-channel transmitter make upgrades effortless. Perfect for jumps, wheelies, and stunts. It's a high-performance thrill machine you can trust. Number 1. Crowball RLAR 1/10 Brushless RC Drift Car is a powerhouse for adults craving speed and precision. This all-terrain 4x4 beauty hits up to 50 miles per hour with a 60A ESC and 3650 to 3300 kV motor, featuring metal heat sinks and cooling fans for peak performance. Its reinforced clipless 1.2mm PC body reduces shake, while upgraded helical gears ensure smooth, high-torque transmission. With a gyro-enabled 5-channel transmitter reaching 350 meters, realistic lighting, and a vibration-dampened drivetrain, it delivers ultimate control, durability, and thrilling RC fun that instantly captivates enthusiasts.